What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be going somewhere I've never been before. It's like really far that way, so we're gonna go and ride all the way there. I actually don't even know where it is, but we're just gonna go, and I think it's gonna be pretty sick. So stay tuned for the end. Guys, we are almost there. We are so far from home right now. It's actually insane. Oh my god, it's a rock garden. This is insane, dude. I've never been this far. Oh my, bro. It's a beach. Wow. There's a lot of runners here.
Half a mile, turn right.
That guy told me to use the bike lane, but this thing is sketchy. Yo! I've never been this far, dude. This is like the city. That's where the train is. No freaking way, dude. This is sick. I have directions. I have no clue where I am. I've never like been here. I've never been outside of the hotel. Wow. That is insane. There's like kayaks and stuff. This is sick. There's an abandoned building. It took me so much freaking battery to get here, dude. That's gonna be me. That's me. Alright. Wow, look at this place, dude. This place is sick. Wow. Look at this place. There's like, so this is a beach. And there's a statue of a dog and a fireman. What's this? Yeah. There's a baseball field here too. Dude, this is insane. Oh, you know, I think I actually have been here before. Wow, this is crazy. Okay, what we're gonna do, okay, here's the plan. I want to check out that abandoned building. I don't know what that thing is, but it looks freaking scary, and I really want to check it out. And then we'll just explore the city for the rest of the video. Whoa, what the? Arcade? It's AceThatGuy! Sick. Shelter, arcade. Huh. There's a marina? Oh. Alright. Let's go explore, because I want to see what this place is all about. A train like almost hit me, and I got like really scared. Dude, that is so freaking sick. I gotta take a picture, because AceThatGuy takes pictures. AceThatGuy also doesn't know how to use a phone. Sheesh. I've never actually been here. Wow, this is crazy. Alright. We are on, I don't know which side of the road I want to go on. I'm just gonna go across. Alright. Wow. That building looks so freaking scary. It looks like it's about to fall. Alright, so train tracks. That's for the subway. So it's no, it's not barbed, but really interesting. It took me forever to get here. Oh dude, oh yeah, it's like open. Wait, sick thumbnail? Alright. It smells weird here. You guys can't smell it. It smells disgusting. Yeah. This is cool. I've never been to downtown on my bike. It's really sick. There's a lot of people on their bikes. Look at that's the train. The train kills so many people. I should have. Woo! Wow. Oh, it's so loud. Oh, it's rumbling the ground. Oh, what the? It's attached to like the thing. What the? It's weird. I'm gonna buckle my helmet. I never ride with my helmet buckles, but I think for safety we should. Oh, dude, wow, this is crazy. It's very, like, alive. Like, usually where I ride, it's, like, so sad and dead. But now it's, like, nice. Oh, there's a smoothie place here, too. That's cool. Wow. Interesting. I know there's a candy shop here. They have, like, fake cigarettes. Dude, look at those murals and stuff. Alright, I'm gonna go on the bike lane. Is the bike lane even open? I don't know. Yeah, wait, that's the candy shop. Candy Addict. And there's pizza. And a Taco Bell. Yeah, this is freaking sick. Dude, these, like, freaking buildings are so tall. Oh, you know what? I'm near the college campus. Alright, I know where to go. Oh, yo, that's fancy. It's so nice here. It's so clean. The roads are nice. I want to go over there. I want to see what that is. Because that's upside down like pyramid. I wonder how they put it upside down. Ah, bus. Wow. There's no way to get up here on a bike. I don't feel like going upstairs. Upstairs, no. Downstairs is fine. I think I could go up there, but I don't want it falling under me. Bro, the ramp is... What? I don't know how to do this. Alright, I'm gonna go check out... I'm gonna just go over there. There's a weird thing over there that I want to check out. That's a football stadium. I think that's the ASU football stadium. That's cool. Beans, cool beans. This is like, I think this is a college thing. Whoa. Wait. How do I? Oh, okay. I just looked at it. It's not like it's like a little ball. Like, not a little ball. It's like the size of that tree. Whoa. This is like a little town. Dude, riding here is so fun. The only thing I don't like is how far it is. Yo, Ireland. There's a museum here. There's a sandwich shop. Oh, it smells bad. Ugh. It smells weird. Really dark. There's a Korean place. Oh. Bum, 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 bum. I want to go check out the other part with the tall buildings. And then, yo, that is, okay, that's really cool. It's called Low Key. Huh. Gotta take a picture, because that's what AceThatGuy does. Should I just live in the moment, or should I take pictures? I don't know, bro, but I don't really care. Oh no, it's a cop. It's a security guard. Alright, I gotta act like I'm pedaling. Pedaling backwards. Whoa, what the? What is down here? Oh, it's a jazz club. Like in that movie Soul. Where they, like Joe Gardner goes to that like jazz club. Oh, that's really, dude, I've never been to a jazz club. It's sick. I don't think it's open, but. Yeah. Whoa. They look a different pitch. Sweet treats. Oh, there's an ice cream too. Man, this is sick. I love this place. Movies are forever. See you soon. I don't know if you guys could read that. I was reading the sign. It's very old here. Everything looks so old. Alright. All-way walk. Here we go. Wait! Whoa. Ah! Okay, I think this is where it starts to fizzle out. Or maybe I'm wrong. Oh no. Ah! Ow! It almost ripped my helmet off. Freaking leaves. Ooh. Huh. Okay, so this is like where it starts to like get quieter. But it's definitely still loud. I wonder, is that, oh yeah, on my way here, I saw 2 like army helicopters, because there's a military base near here, and, oh yeah, this stinks, I'm leaving. There's a military base here, and they were like, I don't know, I think they were like doing training. They were like crossing over and stuff, it was insane. It was like, ooh. Oh, you guys don't even... Okay, so, look at that. After I filmed the last video, like the long one, I went out riding again, and my display I fell, and my head hit my display. Luckily, I had a helmet on, but that's probably what broke it, because I hit it so hard. But, I'm fine. Yo, it's crazy. Thirsty dog. Looks like that one red dog, Clifford. Clifford the big red dog. I love Clifford. Ah, I can still cross. Let's go. Alright, where do I want to go? I think I want to go... Dude, I don't even know. I want to go down to the football stadium. I want to check out what it is. It's so bumpy. Oh my god. There's actually, okay, there's gonna be a lot of cops over there, so we gotta stay safe. I don't feel like getting in trouble. Like, not on a Sunday, bro. I think new posting is Sunday, because Sundays are good. I'll lighten up a Sunday, because you know how like Sundays are sad. I don't know what my battery's at. I hope it's still high. I have like no clue how fast I'm going, bro. It's just destroyed. I need to get a new one, but they're $70. So as soon as I start making money off of YouTube, I'm buying one. Because you don't really need a display. And I can't, bricks are loose. I can't cut it either. It stinks. This all stinks. The street is called College Avenue. What an interesting name. There's no one even here. Why am I... It's one of those driverless cars again. You're after me, bro. It's the train again. I don't know if you guys can see that. Alright, I'm jaywalking. This stinks. AceThatGuy does not obey rules. I'm just kidding. Obey rules. Rules are cool. Okay, this is interesting. Dude, these bricks are loose. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blue. Blah, blah, blah.
Wait.
Yo, did you hear that?
Wait.
The train is, it looks like it's going backwards. Interesting. Beep, 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 beep. I wish I could do a giveaway. That'd be really cool. It's just, oh, Nice. Giveaways are expensive, and I have no money. I can like give away stuff I find on the street. Yo, what the? Alright, I think there's a ramp here. Yes, sir, there is. Okay, cool. No, lizard. Little iguana. It's in the rocks. Whoa. Little iguana is just living his life. Or a lizard. I don't know what it is. It's a reptile. Pedestrians only. Alright, I'm not supposed to be up here. Whoa. This is interesting. Wow. Drag it down. Ah, here we go. Sick. Cool beans, cool beans. Oh, this is hard. Gosh. I wish it was just one big ramp. Ow. Ah, I hit my foot. Ow. Oh, that hurt. Well, I don't know how to get down. Oh, wait, I see it. I see it. We gotta do a little. Ah, there we go. I think this is our practice field. Yeah, definitely, because I think this is the real field. Maybe I'm just lying. I don't know. Oh, I don't want to hit my head on a tree. I wasn't even close. Just like, you know, hitting heads on trees hurt. Alright, well, guys, I think that sums up today's video. If you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe, and just